Hi, this is Romeo Caparasa from Tax Accounting Adelaide. I'm an accountant and work with a lot of small businesses, and I often get asked, what do I need to do? I'm thinking of starting a business. What do I need to do? And it's a really critical stage for young businesses, or even if you've been in business a little while, just to cover these steps. So I'm just going to give you a little outline of what you need to cover. So whether you're new to business or thinking of starting a business, often we hear the same kinds of questions, so we're just going to go through typically what those are. Firstly, you do need an ABN number to be in business, so that's probably a good start. A professional like us can get you up and away with your ABN. You need to think about things like having the right bookkeeping at the start of your business, and you need to select a way to do your bookkeeping. Of course, you need to choose an entity you're going to trade through, and that can be really good, important advice that you get from an accountant to structure yourself in what's good for your particular circumstances, family circumstances, income circumstances, asset protection circumstances, or also your industry. It's really important to understand how GST will affect you, if it will affect you. You can have a business name. We can go through that with you as well. Also, having an idea of how your income taxes may change when you go from maybe an employee to a business. So just an outline of that and an understanding of seeing what's going to be ahead and how to provision some tax aside. Both your GST and income tax is really, really important. It's really important to get into good habits early, because you're in that early critical stage of a business. You need to know your scoreboard, as I say, so you wouldn't be at a cricket game or a footy game without knowing the score. Same with the early stages of business. You must know what your scoreboard is. You need to know if you're winning or losing. It'd be pretty silly if you're watching the footy without the scoreboard, right? Same with your business. You need to have your scoreboard up and run, easy, accurate to run, so that you actually find that accounting can be fun and use your scoreboard to drive your success in your business. Something that our firms are really passionate about, and we can show you how to do that pretty easily. Always review, a good accountant reviews your business model. Just check if there's anything else you can add on to your sales potential. You can also have a view of maybe your insurance requirements, or refer you to the right person about your insurance requirement. Give you some help in checking off some other things, such as if you need to employ people, or looking after your superannuation. Also teach you how to minimise your taxes, what you can claim if you're working from home or on the cars. That can be a really good go through when you're a new business. Obviously, if you are thinking of employing, we can guide you through those, what you need to do there. If you want to protect your assets in your business, we can guide you on that as well. I can teach you about ways of minimising tax, even if you're just starting out in business. It can still be good to know for the future. So there you go. There's some tips and advice on what we can help you with when you're starting your new business. Bear in mind that at the moment, there is a lot of unemployment, people not quite so happy in their jobs, probably more uncertainty in the workplace and more turnaround time. So a lot of people are looking at starting up their own business, or have had that business idea on the shelf for a while. If you need a little bit of someone to help make your dreams come true and help you push you along into that, we're happy to help. Speak to you and give you some advice on starting your new business. You can find more information about this on our website, taxaccountingadelaide.com, under the business services menu, new business advice, and you can book yourself in. Thank you so much for listening. Good luck with your new business. And once again, I'm Romeo Caparasa from Tax Accounting Adelaide.